My name is Laura. I'm a fourth generation Davison, and these are my two boys, Caleb and Levi, and they're fifth generation. And today I'm going to show you how to cook one of our pre-made pie bottoms. So these pie bottoms are perfect for basically a pie that doesn't have a top on it, because it's got the nice crimping around the side. These are great for like a fresh strawberry or raspberry pie or any kind of cream pie. This is how the package comes, and you want to keep it in your freezer until you're ready to use it. Because the dough is crimped like this, it's very fragile. Preheat the oven to 350. I'm going to put either uncooked rice or uncooked beans, or if you have pie weights at home, pie weights in the bottom. It helps the pie keep its form after we bake it. So you need a little bit of tin foil. We're going to put it shiny side down inside and just gently push it around the edges. After we've done that, we're just simply going to pour the rice into the pie plate. And this took just over a cup of rice. The point is that you want it to hold the tin foil down, because as the pastry cooks, it's going to bubble and it's going to push, rise up a little bit, and the weight of the rice or the beans or the pie weights will keep the form in place. So that's all we do, and then as soon as that's done and we're happy with how that looks, we're going to pop it in the oven. Our pie plate with the rice in the oven, and we're going to set our timer for 20 minutes. The timer has gone off, so the first step is finished. So at this point, we're going to take the weights out of the pie. The tin foil, even though it comes right out of the oven, it's not hot, so that's really handy. I just like to lift it up and pop it over here, and I'll deal with this later. So you can see here that while around the edges are starting to brown, this inside is still very translucent, and it's not baked. What we want to do at this point is just take a fork and stab a few the air pockets. This helps so that when this dough starts to bake, it doesn't become deformed and it won't shrink in too much. So taking the pie weights out, stabbing it a few times with a fork around the edges and in the middle, and then it goes back in the oven for another 6 to 9 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, our timer has gone off and our pie bottom should be ready. It looks nice and golden brown. And there we are, ready to go. That pie bottom can be used for a cream pie or a fresh berry pie, or even a savory pie that you want to top with cornbread or biscuits or something else. Enjoy.